If you've already tried getting into meme coins, or you're just sick of pouring cash into hype that fizzles out, you're not alone. I reached that point myself and decided to approach things differently. No more treating it like a lottery. This space can offer real opportunities. In this video, I'll walk you through how the Memecoin launch process works, step by step, and how it could potentially help you build consistent returns. Let's be honest. If you're serious about getting results in meme coins, launching your own is your best shot. Too many people just jump into pump and dump plays hoping to catch a moonshot. It rarely works out. The scene is crowded with generic clones, and standing out is tougher than ever. That's why I made the switch from Pump Fun to Radium. The launches are smoother, the platform's less congested, and it just performs better overall. The numbers speak for themselves. While Pump Fun sees a new token every few seconds, Radium has fewer launches, and that means your project gets more visibility. So if you're wondering how to launch a meme coin on Radium, the answer is Bitlix Sol. It's hands down the most beginner-friendly tool I've come across. Without it, you'd be diving into messy code and complex setups. But here, it's almost like plug and play. A few clicks, and your token is live. Let's break it down. First up, you need a logo. Ideally, something funny or eye-catching. That's your hook, what grabs attention right away. The best way? Ride the trend wave. Scroll your feed, see what's blowing up. I went with a goofy ape Pepe meme. It always hits. Just remember to resize the image to 128 by 128 before moving forward. Now that your logo's ready, it's time to create your token. This is where your idea starts to come alive. Let's go to Bitlix Sol. Start by connecting your wallet. A permissions pop-up will appear. Approve it to keep things moving. Now, fill in the essentials. Token name, token symbol, optional description, logo image. For mine, I used APEP and just ape as the symbol. I left the description empty, but a punchy one-liner could work great here. Once done, upload your image and click Next. Next is tokenomics. Don't let the word intimidate you. The defaults are solid, so unless you've got something specific in mind, just leave them as is and continue. Now comes a crucial part: revoke authorities. These settings lock your token's smart contract and prevent tampering. Revoke freeze stops the token from being frozen later. Revoke mint locks total supply. Revoke update prevents contract edits. These are visible on-chain, and if anything looks suspicious, people won't invest. Easiest move? Leave all of them enabled and click Launch. You'll get a wallet pop-up. Confirm it, follow the prompts, and wait a few seconds. It can take like 30 seconds. Because Solana blockchain is slow. Just like that, your token is live on Solana. But don't close your browser just yet. We'll verify it next. Let's take a look and go to SolScan. It shows all the key detail that we need to know, like total supply and transaction history. But the most important part, it's the liquidity, so let's add it. Click the Liquidity Pool button and connect your wallet. If it doesn't auto-connect, just do it manually. Now, add your new Memecoin as the base token. Go back to Bitlix Sol. Copy your token address. Paste it into Radium. Add user token. Select your token. You should see your full supply, e.g. 1 billion. A standard move is to add 900 million of your token to the liquidity pool. Next, choose a quote token, usually SOL. That's what people will use to buy your coin. You can use most of your SOL balance, but leave 0.2 SOL for fees. Totally safe. You can withdraw it later. When choosing fee tier, 2% is a solid option. You'll see other settings, but I haven't tested them yet. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm in your wallet, and boom, your token is fully live. Now that trading is active, It's time to monitor your launch. I recommend DexScreener. It's cleaner and easier to follow than Photon. Take your token address from BitLickSol, paste it into the DexScreener URL, and your chart will pop up. Key metric to watch? Liquidity. That's what drives price action and profitability. Don't worry about bots. Early trades are normal. While things stabilize, check out the Radium Portfolio tab. It shows your open LP positions, token holdings, and lets you withdraw profits. Make sure you're in standard view. It may take 10 to 15 minutes for everything to appear, so don't panic if it's not instant. Here's a quick time-lapse of my launch. Seems slow, but it's the perfect moment to share some tips. Volume is your friend. As more people buy, your liquidity and market cap rise. Watch Radium's Portfolio tab and refresh until your position shows up. Once you're happy with your gains, take them. Exit the pool and collect your profits. Open the Standard tab in Radium. Find your LP token and click the minus button. Slide it to 100%. Don't stress about the top numbers. Just focus on the SOL amount at the bottom. That's your payout. If it looks right, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction. Once you get the confirmation pop-up, your funds are on the way. Open your wallet, give it a second, and check your balance. I made some nice returns in just minutes. Not massive, but enough to turn this into a repeatable side hustle. So, don't lose the opportunity, and you can join my Telegram for the giveaway. Here is previous giveaway winner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and write comment, and that's it. Goodbye.